change the EGR valve, you will need, in addition to the tools for taking apart the valve, a liquid collector, a large screwdriver, a toothbrush, a specific cleaner, as well as a cleaner injector to finish the operation. We have also added a link to the parts needed for the operation. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. There are a myriad of symptoms and breakdown linked to the EGR valve clogging up. You should therefore regularly clean it out. To be able to access your EGR valve, you must first remove the engine cover. With a small socket wrench, a small extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 engine cover screws. Then remove the cover. You should now be able to see the EGR valve, which is in the upper left of the engine compartment. With adjustable pliers, release the air inlet conduit. Then release the valve command hoses. With a small socket wrench and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the EGR valve. Then, with the same tools, remove the 2 screws on the exhaust gas inlet conduit located under the EGR valve. Remove the valve. You will now be able to evaluate how clogged it is, which may cause anomalies in your engine. Clean the valve. Start by removing most of the dirt with a small screwdriver. Completely cleaning the EGR valve takes a lot of time. We recommend using a specific product that enables you to clean the valve more quickly and in greater depth. Generously spray the inside of the valve. Don't hesitate to use a toothbrush. Alternate between brushing and applying the product to get a clean EGR valve. Don't forget to clean the inlet conduit as much as possible, as it may also be rather clogged. To complete the operation, take advantage of the opportunity to clean your injection system by directly pouring injector cleaner into your reservoir, which will help avoid numerous problems linked to injection and will guarantee an optimal engine ignition. You can now reassemble the EGR valve, being careful to grease the screws. Put the 3 screws for the inlet conduit back in place without tightening them. Once you have put the seal in place, put the 2 screws on the exhaust conduit. With all of the screws in place, you can tighten them. Reconnect the command hoses on the valve, then put the air inlet conduit back in place. Put the engine cover back on, screw the 3 screws back in and put the caps back in. Operation completed.